In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view multiple inboxes at once in Outlook 365. If you're someone who juggles multiple email accounts, you know how challenging it can be to manage them efficiently. Fortunately, Outlook 365 provides a way to manage various accounts from a single dashboard, making the task much easier. Let's walk through the process step by step to set this up effectively. First, you'll want to make sure you're already logged into your Microsoft Outlook on Windows. Assuming you're already there, you'll need to open your Outlook dashboard. At this point, you might notice that the new Outlook 365 interface doesn't have a dedicated function labeled specifically for viewing multiple inboxes concurrently. Instead, the platform allows you to see multiple separate accounts all integrated within one dashboard. This means that while you won't get a unified inbox view, you can still manage each account individually without having to log in and out repeatedly. Once you're on your dashboard, check the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you should see each of your email accounts listed separately. Clicking on each account will give you access to its respective inbox, outbox, sent items, drafts, and other folders related to that particular account. This setup is beneficial if you want to keep your personal and professional emails distinct and accessible. A quick tip here is to customize the names or the order of your email accounts to reflect your priorities. Personalize it in a way that works best for you, either chronologically, alphabetically, or by usage frequency. While Outlook 365 may not provide a single unified inbox, using this feature effectively can still significantly streamline your workflow. Having all accounts accessible on one dashboard allows for a seamless transition as you switch between them. If you receive emails to separate accounts for different projects, this becomes especially useful in reducing distraction and maintaining focus on the task at hand by managing priorities separately. Besides this, make sure to familiarize yourself with the search bar at the top of your Outlook interface. It's an incredibly efficient tool to locate specific emails across all accounts quickly. Whether you're searching by subject, sender, or keyword, utilizing this feature can save you a significant amount of time and help you avoid the overwhelming process of manually sifting through emails in different inboxes. While integrating multiple inboxes into a single view isn't currently a feature of Outlook 365, understanding how to make the most out of having multiple accounts in one dashboard can still optimize your experience. Adjusting your setup to suit your unique working style can be a game changer. That's it for today's tutorial. Now, go ahead and give it a try and see how it enhances your email management. Thank you for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.